The fourth annual Chili Dog Eating Competition, hosted by City Tavern and legendary Automotive and Truck Service, was another huge success this year, with over $32,000 raised for the American Legion Post 38. It was hands down our best year yet. Legendary Automotive and Truck Service donated a Toyota Sienna to a deserving member of our veteran community. Napa Auto Parts donated the parts necessary for Legendary's technicians to get the vehicle in tip-top shape before donating it. Our great friend and celebrity guest chef Brian Duffy was once again our MC for the event. We were also joined by celebrity guest Chef Dominique Leach from the Food Network TV show Barbecue Brawl. Chef Dominique donated 500 of her signature Lexington Betty Wagyu beef franks, which were sold at the event. All proceeds from the donated items went to the American Legion Post 38. Thank you to Mayor Kevin Anderson for joining us as always. Working with the great people at American Legion Post 38 and their post commander Kevin Boyd is an absolute pleasure. This year, 13 competitors went head-to-head to see who could eat the most chili cheese dogs in 15 minutes. Congratulations to the winner, Michelle Lubar, who ate a total of 9 chili cheese dogs. Huge thanks to all of our competitors for participating in the contest and for raising money individually. Special thanks to Shelly Krantz for raising the most money individually. Shelly personally raised $5,175. A huge thanks to all of our amazing sponsors for everything. We couldn't do it without you.